Video will tell you how to use the index system on Classic Hymers Technical on a laptop. So this is the front page of Classic Hymers Technical, and always at the top you will see this yellow box which says index. Click this box. So you click the box. That takes you to a post which basically contains links to all the indexed articles. Click this box or scroll down for index of common questions. So we start off with a group description and then below that a link, and that's the format of everything. So all you have to do is drill down to the section that interests you. So let's say, for example, you want to inquire about solar panels. So you'll see that as you scroll down, there's a section on habitation, 12-volt electrics, batteries, solar, chargers, EHU. So click on the link. That takes you to another section. And then scroll down looking for something to do with solar panels. Here we go, solar panels, upgrade and new installation, which is a link to a blog entry. Some links are links to the outside world, some links are links to further Facebook posts. Adding more leisure battery, things to consider. And then at any time you can go back and select, or at any time you can just go to community home and start all over again. If you spend time just drilling down through all these options, starting with the yellow box, you'll soon work out how it works.